Hello, I'm Anders from Norway. I was lucky to be invited here from SmallRig to showcase and release the new lamps they have here. So we have the RC100B, it's an upgraded version of the previous one. And now it's really cool because usually they had an internal battery inside, which of course you can't swap out. So it's only runs for a limited time. Now they removed the internal battery, so it's become smaller, the whole lamp. But they added a V-mount attachment at the back. So now you can power the lamp with a V-mount without any cables. So it's cable free. That's very nice because when you're doing filmmaking, you know, it's nice sometimes to be able to put the lamp in a corner in a tight space without too much cables being in the way for the frame. It also has this adapter for Sony batteries. It's mounted here. So if you have a lot of Sony batteries, you can run the lamp from this. You can even use this new handle from SmallRig. It's very fun. Like, SmallRig has always been the place to go to find rigs for your camera, right? Now it looks like they're also trying to start rigging lamps. Now we can be creative with lamps. For instance, this is for run and gun. You can add the lamp on top here, and then you can power the lamp through the USB-C and this V-mount at the bottom. So you can run around for quite some time, moving the lights. Maybe you're shooting some skateboard movie, or you want to follow a person with a softbox, a lamp and a softbox. You get this nice light while they walk. This is a nice solution. It has a high CRI value, high TLCI value, nice color accuracy in this lamp, so that's very good. We also have this new SmallRig RC220 Pro. This lamp is also from the previous one. It's 24 times smaller, so that's great. And you can use V-mount, the Sony batteries if you want, the Sony adapter, or you can use the power cable. And now the power adapter is also, you can also attach it to the lamp. So you only have the cable down to your power outlets. So you don't need that big bulky power adapter hanging in the light stand or being on the floor. It's also interesting because they have made sure that you get as much juice and brightness as possible compared to the power consumption. So there's a lens in front of the LED source that amplifies the lights. You can turn it up. So there's a lens here that makes the light a little bit brighter than other typical lamps like this. So you get more juice out of it, which is good when you use a V-mount, so you can last for a longer time. You can also power it with a standard cable, of course, and also USB-C. And you can also control this lamp either by an app, a GoGo app that SmallRig have. You can also control it actually with a USB-C and DMX if you have a DMX USB-C adapter. This also has the GoGo, you can control it with the GoGo app. There's also a wired remote panel you can use. And of course the knobs on the side here with the display. It's the same with the RC100 display on the side. So I think all the filmmakers can be very flexible with these lights. They're both powerful and also small, compact, and you can run them on different types of batteries, so you can be flexible on set and put them in different spaces and mount them in the ceiling and stuff like that. So cool products.